Hey, Wayne from Chirpsounds here, talking to you about range today. The range that you're going to get is dependent on the speaker that you use. Now the Chirpsounds device can go about 300 feet, using typical wireless technology, and speakers using typical wireless technologies are probably only going to go about 30 feet. So it becomes a little like two people throwing a ball back and forth. If one of them has an arm that can go 300 feet, but the other one is a kid who can only throw it 30 or maybe 50 feet, it's not going to work. You're going to have to stand 30 or 50 feet apart. So that's going to determine how far you can put these things apart. So we are going to have some speakers that have enhanced power and range available for you. So if you find that you want to put these things farther than your BYO speaker can go, we're going to help you out with that. That's all for now. Bye.